Most people don't change images often. When they do, they simply send a photo from the app. Memoir updates quietly and then goes back to being part of the room. You choose a photo, Memoir holds on to it. Memories that stay without getting away. Choose the frame you want to update. Create a playlist. Name it and set how long each moment stays. Add one photo or many, and let Memoir take over. Memoir updates quietly. No rush, no glow. The images flow at their own pace, like framed photographs changing over time. You set it once, and Memoir becomes part of the room. The images transition gradually, creating a calm, continuous display that doesn't interrupt the room. Memoir for memories you adore.